Episode 4. Mao Shan Uncle.
Master, I can't hold on much longer.
Roar. Hold on! Aha! Prepare to detonate the last 3 copper coins.
Haven't seen you in years.
Your cultivation has regressed quite a bit.
The 8 trigrams are misaligned by half an inch. The 5 elements sequence is reversed. The 28 constellations...
Array, reset. Arg.
Watch closely. This is the true Mao Shan 5 elements demon subduing array. Blood corpse control technique and external evil interference. Tiger Bell? Tiger Bell? You are the descendant of the Black Tiger General. Subdue this zombie first. Lin Kui, lend me your strength. Use your palm thunder to strike his crown. Yes. Heavenly thunder, earthly thunder, 6 Jia and 6 Ding. Show your power, palm thunder. Break!
5 thunders combine. Strike! Watch out!
Miss Liu! Liu! Her soul was partially taken. It's a soul-sacrificing technique. That blood demon left a trap in the jade amulet, taking her soul before dying. What? Uncle, can she be saved? If her soul isn't found within 12 hours, it will dissipate. But the blood demon's real body isn't here. The one we destroyed was just a clone, controlled from hundreds of miles away. He is using her soul to cast a soul-locking curse. We must find his real body within a day, or she will die.
I can only stabilize her for 12 hours.
After 12 hours, if her soul doesn't return.
Master, I'll go find Miss Liu's soul.
Are you going to your death?
That demon can control a clone from afar, meaning he is at least in the soul-refining realm. A novice like you is just cannon fodder. My soul-seeking compass can track her soul. Once I finish healing your master, we will search. You, go to Hula...
Who's there?
Miss, it's so late. Why are you crying here alone?
Brother Ahau, save me! I'm so cold!
Miss Liu, aren't you at the inn? No, you're an illusion!
Clever.
Blood Shadow Taoist. It seems Lin Kui hasn't forgotten his uncle. Kid, tell your master, if he wants her soul, bring the Mao Shan sect leader token to Blackwind Mountain tomorrow at noon.
You dare!
My dear nephew, did you think the past was over? The grudge of 30 years must be settled.